Okay, a very quick introduction to blogging for our sports and games class. We're going to sign up for a blog at edublogs.org, and we're going to create a blog to use in this class. If you use edublogs.org, you can make as many blogs as you like for many different purposes through one account, so it's really quite convenient. So once you've made uh, your account and set up your initial blog, you will manage your blogs from the dashboard. The dashboard on a car is where you can see how fast you're going, how much gasoline you have, what time it is. The dashboard on this blog service is where you can control your blogs. Okay, so I already have my blog account, so I am going to create another brand new blog. And this is going to be a sports blog. Let's try new sports blog.edublogs.org. Okay, you have to choose whether you want it to be indexed, whether you want people to be able to find it if they search for it on the EduBlogs site. I usually click no because this is a student blog and it's just for us to see. But if you want to make a public blog, um, and you would like input from people around the world, then you would click yes. You have to choose if you're a teacher or a student. I think you know the answer. You have to choose the language. Japanese is one of the choices, but let's do English for the purposes of this class. And hopefully it will allow me to create it. And there was a problem. Oh, I forgot to put a blog title. Well, at least it prompted me. So, sports blog tutorial, teaching us how to do a sports blog. Let's try one more time, and you'll notice it kicked out what kind of blog it was, so you have to click that again and create a blog. Yay, it worked. So this URL is now mine, and if I log in, it'll take me to the administration part, the dashboard for this specific page. Every month it tries to get you to join. It wants to make money. It isn't a nonprofit, it is a business, but you don't have to join. You don't have to pay money, so just click hide for 1 month. And if you view site, it looks like this, which is kind of boring, but we're going to fix it up and make it really interesting. It has a default message, an automatic message, so first thing I usually do is get rid of that. So in the dashboard we can write. If we write, we have the choice of writing posts or pages. Uh, you have to be careful because it looks almost the same. So that's write a post, that's write a page. But a post will be listed in reverse sequential order on the main page. A page itself will be a separate page. That's a bit confusing. I'll explain in class. Um, but to manage things we've made before, click on Manage, and here is the default post, which was automatically created. So let me change that, delete all of that, and just say this is the place where we can blog about sports. Oops, it's very early in the morning. Sports and games. Okay, so if you click Save, it will republish it, hopefully. Oh, there we go. And if we visit the site, we can see this is now the main post. I also don't like the format of this. I don't like the 3 columns. It's more than I need. So if I go back and I hit Design, I can customize the theme. That's the template. And the one that I use most often is one called Cutline. And that's right here. So if I click on that, oops, My wireless is not happy. Okay. Do, do, do. Oh, I think we're having trouble with the server this morning. Okay, so we'll stop for now and I'll give a new tutorial soon. It looks like we're back online, so let's try to continue. So I'm at my dashboard now and I have a lot of blogs. So if I look at all my blogs and go down to sports tutorial and go there. Okay, so you can write posts or pages, as I said. You can manage posts and pages. You can also work on design. And design has many different themes that we can choose from, and that'll be the basis of building our design. And as I mentioned, I like using Cutline. Okay, and if I now look at my site, I'll see that it looks like this. This is quite a good little format. I actually like the header, but it doesn't really do much for sports per se. So if you customize image header, it helps to make it look more like you want it to. So let me see. Is this the one I want? Yes. Okay. So the important thing to know is that you have to try and make a picture the size of the particular header. And different themes have different sized headers. This one is 770 by 140. So I've tried to make my header that size. Let's see if I succeeded. And it's not too bad. If you make it a different size, then you have to crop it. And sometimes there'll be some distortion. So it's better to go for the exact size. So you do have to crop it anyways, but this is full size. So let's take a look. Yeah, it's not so good, but it's better than it was. Um, so anyways, that's our first little intro into blogging. We're going to do our dubbing task today. We're going to try and put our voices into the voices of the sports movies. And I want to upload that to this blog. And I want us to upload writings and other presentations to this blog as well. So at the end of the class, you'll have um, all of your information together in one place. I think that'll be really nice for you. Okay, see you in class.